Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Trojanbot with TradeWiz bot. So which one is better for you to trade 100x meme coins? This is what we will be trying to find out in this video. But before we get started into this video, you need to remember that crypto trading is risky and I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources. I have created this table for you for better understanding of the features of both of these. So the Trojan bot is a Telegram based trading bot that focuses on Solana, whereas TradeWiz is a standalone platform with extensive copy trading features. If we talk about the copy trading features in Trojan bot, you will get the basic copy trading options, but you will also get some of the advanced options like duplicate option, blacklist option as well. In TradeWiz, you will get advanced copy trading with smart money replication and customizable transaction parameters. In Trojan bot, you will get the security that would be of a standard security, and in TradeWiz you will get anti-MAVE protection to prevent value extraction. Trojan bot includes DCI and limit order for the basic trading strategies, whereas TradeWiz supports complex order types with more granular control over trade execution. So Trojan bot provides the basic trading performance metrics, whereas TradeWiz provide advanced analytics with performance insights and market data to inform the trading strategies. Now, both offers great features but serve different needs. A Trojan bot is streamlined for quick automated trade through Telegram, while TradeWiz offers more sophisticated tools like anti-MAVE protection, advanced copy trading, and extensive analytics. So, if you are looking for simple, fast trading, Trojan bot is a way to go. But if you need more control, security, and data-driven insight, TradeWiz is a better choice. You can check out the links in the description to explore both the options. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.